What's your favorite food? What's your favorite book? Do you have any plans for tonight? I need to call my friend. I am sorry for the misunderstanding. I can't find my sunglasses. I am going to a concert next month. How's your family doing? Did you watch the news today? I am really tired today. I can't wait for the weekend. I am so happy to see you. Can you help me move this furniture? What's your favorite animal? Let's go for a walk. How do you spell that word? Are you free this weekend? I am feeling stressed out. Let's go for a bike ride. I am taking a cooking class. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. Let's grab a cup of coffee. Can you remember a good movie? What's your dream vacation destination? Do you have any siblings? Can you recommend a good TV serial? It's a beautiful day outside. I forget my keys at home. I am going to visit my grandparents this weekend. What's your favorite sport? Can you give me a ride to the airport? Let's plan a road trip. Let's have a picnic. Can you pass me the remote? How was your weekend? What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite TV show? Let's take a break. I am attending a wedding next week. I am trying to learn a new language. I am sorry for the inconvenience. Have you seen the latest movie? What time do you usually wake up? Let's go out for dinner tonight. What's your favorite session?